Welcome to the very first module of our Excel journey, and welcome to Miracle Learnings. Our topic is Excel Basics. Getting started. Whether you're completely new to spreadsheets or just brushing up on the essentials, you're in the right place. I'm here to help you become an Excel expert, and over the next few modules, I'll teach you everything you need to know to work with spreadsheets like a pro. No special skills or knowledge is required. Just open up Excel and follow along. In this module, we're laying the foundation. I'll walk you through the Excel interface, show you how to navigate the workspace, and help you understand the key features that make Excel so powerful. Also, for navigating cells, rows, and columns are data types, text, numbers, dates, lastly saving, opening, and managing files. By the end of this module, you'll be confident opening a workbook, entering data, and saving your progress. So grab your mouse, open up Excel, and let's dive in. Ready to get started? Let's go. The ribbon is the horizontal strip at the top of your Excel window. It's like your control panel. It holds all the tools and commands you will use to work with your data. This is we call ribbon from here up to this section. First, we have this clipboard. If you have any on the copied data, it's saved into the clipboard. Next is the font section. You can change your fonts here, also the font size, and also a color fonts. This is the alignment and alignment of cells. We have numbers here, or the format of the number data. This is style to change your cell visualization. Also the cells and editing, the add-ins, but we will not tackle yet this section. That's our ribbon, or we can call it as our toolbar. Now we will discuss each of tab on the ribbon. The first tab is the file. On this tab, we can have a new blank workbook. And this is a sample of templates from Microsoft Excel. Also, you can see here your recent Excel file. On the Home tab, we already discussed some function included. We will go to Insert tab. Here we have a table, illustration. You can insert picture, shapes, or even an icon. We can have to insert a chart here. Next one is Slicer, links, and text. The Draw tab, you can draw on your Excel file here, like you're doing in Paint application. Page Layout, we have a theme for page layout. The Page Setup, Scale to Fit, and Sheet option. Formula tab, we have a function library. You can browse here every single formula on Excel. We can have a define names to use some functions. Formula editing, and lastly, the calculation. The next one is the Data tab. If you are gathering data from others, you can do it here. You can transform the data. We have queries for bulk data, sort and filter, data tools for validation, and also for the flash fill. Review tab, here we have a built-in language translation. So the comments for every cell if you want. Lastly, the protect your worksheet or workbook. You can set the password on the workbook or even on the every worksheet. View tab, for our View tab. You can change it for your visual preparation. Example here is the grid lines. You can on and off the grid lines. Also for formula bar. As you can see, we remove the formula bar and also the headings, removing the header, columns, and rows. We have also the zoom for bigger picture of your cell. Another tab is, we called it Developer, but in the normal Microsoft Excel file, Developer didn't on in our ribbon. You can access the Developer tab by using right-click on the ribbon side. Click Customize Ribbon on the main tab. Check the Developer options. Developer tab. This tab is for advanced techniques for Excel. We have Visual Basic Application, or we call it VBA, and also the macros. We have also the add-ins and controls. Last but not the least, the Help tab. Here, if we'll direct to the Microsoft Excel help example, is formulas. You can collapse or expand the ribbon to give yourself more space to work. Just click the little arrow in the corner, or double-click a tab. But I'm using other version of Excel. It shows a menu. To hide it, select Show Tabs Only. Our topic now is Workbook and Worksheet. First, we will discuss the Workbook. On this file, we can have a new workbook. This new workbook is our file of our Excel. We can have a sample of template here. If you want to browse more templates, you can click here at More Template. You can see it here. There are more templates to browse and see it yourself. Example, if you click a template here, a new workbook will open the file. You just click Create to open the template. This, a sample template, a calendar template. I will try to open some templates here. Example is here, a calendar. Just click Create and it will open the workbook templates. And now, I will discuss the worksheet. The worksheet is inside the workbook. From this, you can add worksheet, add more, or even more. Also, you can change the name of the worksheet. Right-click on the worksheet, then look for Rename. You can name it as Data or Other Else. Dates or Items. Also, you can copy the worksheet if you need it. Right-click on the sheet, click the Move or Copy, and check the Create a Copy, then click OK. Now we will discuss about navigating the cells, rows and column. As you can see, the number here is our rows. We called it row number. You can select the rows one by one. And now our column vertical line from up to down, while our rows is from left to right. You can also change the width or a column. For the rows, it is the same. You can change the row height of the rows. The cell is everywhere on our worksheet. You can click everywhere on the worksheet, and this is how we enter a data or a text. The next topic is our data types. Our data types compose of three major data types. The first one is text. Any data or words that compose a letter will be determined as text, while the number is only a number. And as for the data, you can put the date like this example. You just need a format like a date. Our last topic for this module is so easy because it is how to save your file and how you to open the file as soon as you leave the file. Go to the file, look for the save. Then save it to your prepared folder. Then click Save. To open your recent file, you can go to File, then look for Open. It will show your recent saved file. And that wraps up Module 1, Excel Basics. Getting started. We explored the Excel interface in depth, from the ribbon and tabs to understanding workbooks and worksheets. These are the core tools that will guide you through everything Excel has to offer. And that's a wrap on Module 1, Excel Basics. Getting started. We've explored the Excel interface step by step, from the ribbon and tabs to understanding workbooks and worksheets. These are the essential tools that will guide you through everything Excel has to offer. Up next is Module 2, Entering and Formatting Data, where we'll roll up our sleeves and start working directly with cells. You'll learn how to input information, format it for clarity, and make your spreadsheets both functional and visually appealing. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep building your Excel skills, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a module. Your support helps us grow and bring you even more valuable content. This is Miracle Learnings, where learning is made simple, practical, and powerful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in Module 2.